General Geography. 1 hour difference in local time between two places is equivalent to difference of 10 longitude, 15 longitude, 15 latitude, 20 latitude. The answer is 15 longitude. The local time at a place is 6 a.m. when the GMT is 3 a.m. The longitude of that place is 45 degrees east, 45 degrees west, 120 degrees east, 120 degrees west. The answer is 45 degrees east. Up to about 50 kilometers from the surface of Earth, the atmosphere consists of approximately 78% oxygen and 21% nitrogen. 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. 68% oxygen and 32% nitrogen. 33% oxygen and 66% oxygen. The answer is 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen. Name the instrument used for measuring humidity. Barometer, thermometer, hygrometer, hydrometer. The answer is hygrometer. Most of the weather phenomena take place in which of the following layers of the atmosphere? Stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, troposphere. The answer is troposphere. That the Earth is rotating on its axis is established by the fact that the moon and stars move in the sky. The Earth experiences day and night. The planetary winds are blowing. The time in different parts of the Earth is not the same. The answer is the Earth experiences day and night. Funnel-shaped clouds with violent whirlwinds are named as tsunami, cirrus, tornado, stratus. The answer is tornado. The tropical cyclones often follow the direction of movement from south to north, east to west, west to east, north to south. The answer is west to east. An upper wind system with very high velocities in the stratosphere is called a cyclone, an anticyclone, monsoon, jet stream. The answer is jet stream. The amount of water vapor in a given volume of air is known as specific humidity, relative humidity, vapor pressure, absolute humidity. The answer is absolute humidity. Trade winds of the northern hemisphere blow from the northeast to southwest due to Coriolis force, gravitational force, centripetal force. None of these. The answer is Coriolis force. Which country is known as Thunderbolt of Asia? Bhutan, Mongolia, China. None of the above. The answer is Bhutan. One of the country through which equator passes is Malaysia, China, Malta, Pakistan. The answer is Malaysia. The depletion of ozone layer has been caused mainly by the deforestation of large area of land, the release of chlorofluoro into the atmosphere, changes in asteroid activity in the solar, the release of industrial waste. The answer is the release of chlorofluoro into the atmosphere. Which layer of atmosphere provides ideal conditions for flying airplanes? Troposphere, stratosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. The answer is troposphere. Through which one of the following countries the equator does not pass? Tanzania, Kenya, Zaire, Uganda. The answer is Tanzania. None of the above. Bhutan, isohyet, isotherm, isonef. The answer is isohyet. The Earth revolves around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Its speed is greatest when it is farthest from the Sun, is greatest when it is closest to the Sun, remains the same at all points on the orbit, goes on decreasing continuously. The answer is greatest when it is closest to the Sun. The release of chlorofluoro into the atmosphere. 3.6 billion years, 4.6 billion years, 5.6 billion years, 6.6 billion years. The answer is 4.6 billion years. The term ecliptic is used for the Sun when eclipsed, Moon when eclipsed, Sun's path in the sky during a year, path of Earth around the Sun. The answer is Sun's path in the sky during a year. 15 longitude. It is located in East Kenya. The Earth rotates from west to east. Zaire. Trade winds of the northern. Cariole's force. A ship sailing from Vancouver to Tokyo crosses the international date line on Wednesday, the 8th November. What will be the next day? 6th November, 7th November, 9th November, 10th November. The answer is 6th November. The answer is Earth, Moon and the Sun are in a straight line. Is greatest when it is closest to the Sun. Earth comes near the Sun. Earth is away from the Sun. The answer is Earth, Moon and the sun are in a straight line. Which of the following words explains a narrow strip of land separating two seas and connecting two landmarks? Isthmus, strait, bay, peninsula. The answer is isthmus. Presence of which gas in the outermost layer of the atmosphere does not allow ultraviolet rays of the sunlight to reach Earth? Helium, ozone, oxygen, chlorine. The answer is ozone. The second largest continent is Asia. That the Earth is rotating, the moon and stars move. The answer is the Earth experienced. Africa. South Pole was discovered by Cabot, Robert Peary, Amundsen. None of these. The answer is Amundsen. The dates on which day and night are equal are 21st March and 24th December, 14th January and 23rd September, 21st March and 23rd September, 14th January and 22nd June. The answer is 21st March and 23rd September. At which place on Earth there is always day and night of an equal duration? On the Tropic of Cancer, on the poles, on the Tropic of Capricorn. 1 hour difference in. The answer is on the equator. A line on a map joining places having equal atmospheric pressure is called isotherm. Stratosphere. One of the countries. Isolate. The answer is which country is known